તમારો કોડ, તમારું એજ્યુકેશન, ક્વોલિફિકેશન, એક્સપિરિયન્સ XYZ કંઈ હોય અને તમારું પ્રેફરન્સીસ 3 વસ્તુ જણાવો બેક ટુ બેક, ડોન્ટ સ્ટોપ.
Sir, my code is 78.
ઓકે
Sir, I have completed my secondary education from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya.
ઓકે
In
ક્યારે?
2012. I passed 10th from 2012.
2012 પછી.
In 2018, I graduated in mechanical engineering from SVNIT Surat.
ઓકે
From there, I was placed at Futures First Limited Jaipur,
Okay,
where I
okay.
worked for 10 months as energy analyst.
Okay.
And sir, I used to trade oil on New York and London stock exchanges there.
ઓકે સ્ટોક.
Yes, sir.
So into stocks.
Yes, sir. I was trading oil.
ઓકે ઓકે ઓકે.
Sir, since last 2 years, I have been preparing for civil service, and
Okay.
sir, this is my first attempt.
ઓકે એની અધર માઇલસ્ટોન્સ ઇન યોર લાઈફ કે તમે STI કે GPSC ની બીજી કોઈ હોય ક્રેક કરી
No,
હોય?
sir. This is the first exam that I have appeared.
ઓકે અપિયરન્સ જ પહેલું છે.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે વોટ આર યોર પ્રેફરન્સીસ?
Sir, my first preference is the deputy collector. My
Okay.
second preference is DYSP.
ઓકે
My third preference is section officer.
ઓકે
My fourth preference is the TDO.
Okay.
Sir, my fifth preference is the registrar of societies.
Okay.
My fifth preference is, sir, assistant tribal.
ઓકે આઈ લાઈક ટુ સ્ટોપ હિયર.
Yes, sir.
તમે ડેપ્યુટી કલેક્ટર DYSP પછી સીધા તમે ક્લાસ 2 ની અંદર આવી ગયા. તમે DDO ને અને DR ને ક્લાસ 1 ને નીચે મૂક્યા. ગીવ મી વન ગુડ રીઝન.
I believe, sir, that the reason for my selecting a section officer above those are, sir, because I believe that, sir, those are related to particular department where I will not get that much diversity to work in diversified field.
Okay.
Compared to that, sir, section officer and taluka development officer are both quite diverse field. Where,
SO is diverse.
sir, actually there are many. There are many in Sachivalaya there are many departments where I can get placed.
Okay.
So once I will placed, I will be in a particular department. However, sir, there is opportunity for me to get placed in many departments.
તમને કોઈ એસો બની ગયા,
Yes, sir.
તમે શહેરી વિકાસમાં છો, તમને ત્યાં બજેટનું કામ સોંપ્યું,
Yes, sir.
પછી તમારે બીજા ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટમાં બદલી થઈ, ત્યાં તમને બજેટનું જ કામ.
સચિવાલયમાં કેવું હોય, અખંડ રામધૂનની જેમ હોય. એક વખત તમે એની અંદર ઘૂસ્યા, તમે બજેટમાં, તમે સર્વિસીસમાં, તમે તપાસમાં, તમે આમાં તો આમાં, સંકલનમાં તો
Yes.
ડાયવર્સિટી તો ખાલી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ બદલાશે, બાકી એનું જ રહેશે.
Yes, sir.
જ્યારે જો ડાયવર્સિટી તમે શબ્દ વાપરતા હોય તો DDO ની અંદર ડાયવર્સિટી નથી. તમે એવું કહેવા માંગો છો DDO જે ડેવલપમેન્ટ કરે છે, વિકાસ.
Yes, sir. However, sir, but DDO option is not available
ઓકે
in this service.
ઓકે ઓકે તો DR
Are you talking about
એ તો
register?
છે ને available?
Yes, sir. That is available.
તો પછી એની અંદર તમને નથી લાગતું કે એની અંદર વેરિએશન?
Yes, sir. There are diversities available. However, sir, my preference is section
બટ
officer.
ઓકે યોર
Yes,
પ્રેફરન્સ
sir.
ઇઝ ધેર.
Yes, sir.
એ તો પાર્ટ ટાઈમ મીન્સ કે આ આખું ફોર્મેટ છે એની અંદર તમને સ્વતંત્રતા મળી રહી છે, બટ
Yes,
યુ આર
sir.
નોટ જસ્ટિફાઈંગ ઇટ. વી આર આસ્કિંગ ફોર જસ્ટિફિકેશન કે કેમ તમે ક્લાસ 1 માંથી સીધું વચ્ચે ક્લાસ 2 ને ઘુસાડ્યો છો. કારણ કે તમે જો વિવિધતાની વાત કરતી હો તો વિવિધતા મળે છે DR ની અંદર
Yes, sir.
કે બીજી કોઈ પોસ્ટની અંદર.
Yes.
તમને સ્ટેટસ મળે છે, તમને પગાર પણ સારો વધારે મળે છે, તો વાય SO?
Sir, one of the other reason is,
Okay.
sir, before selecting those preferences, I sir held a long range of discussion with many of the officers who have previously cleared GPSC and
Okay.
with my teachers and my faculty members, and sir, from my self-evaluation also. Sir, these are the preference I have decided based on those. Sir, one of the other reason that I've
એટલે
decided.
આ લોકો જોડે જે તમારું કમ્યુનિકેશન થયું એની અંદર SO માટે એમણે એવું શું કહી દીધું કે તમે એને ત્રીજા નંબર પર મૂકી દીધું?
Sir, one of the major factor in deciding SO is that, sir, I have to work in Gandhinagar, which is very pleasant for living and social condition. Sir, that was one of the most factor because
તો
of
પહેલા
which I-
નંબર ઉપર આપો ને.
Say no
તો પહેલા નંબર ઉપર આપો ને સાહેબ.
Then
Yes.
ફર્સ્ટ પર મૂકી દો. મારું વરનાવણ છે, રૂડુ વૈકુંઠ નહીં રહી જાવ, અહીંયા જ રહી જાવ.
Yes. However, sir, the opportunities that lie with the district collector, sir, are
એટલે
quite.
અમને એવું લાગે છે કે તમે DR ને અંદર જવા માટે ડરી રહ્યા છો.
No, sir, there is no question of fear of getting any post. Sir, if I was fearful of having going into any post, sir, then I don't think that I would be appearing for this examination.
ઓકે જવાહર નવોદય વિદ્યાલયની સ્થાપના ક્યારે થઈ? When it was established, founded?
Sir, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya first Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya was founded in 1986 at Amravati and Jhajjar in Haryana.
Okay, this Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, how they are run, how they are administered?
Sir, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya are managed by Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, who is headed by Education Minister. Then, sir, it is divided into various regions. For example, sir, our region lies in Bhopal region. Sir, there are various Our region lies in Bhopal region. Sir, there are various regions like for Shillong region for northeastern state, Jaipur region for northwestern state. However, sir, there are no Navodayas in Tamil Nadu because the Navodaya has a policy of adopting 3 language formula and which goes contrary to the policy of the state government. Therefore, sir, we have Navodaya in all the state except Tamil Nadu.
Oh, good. SVNIT, Sardar Vallabh National Institute of Technology.
Yes, sir.
What is the contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the freedom struggle of India?
Sir, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a crucial role in our freedom struggle. Sir, on the behest, when Gandhiji called for a national struggle, sir, he quit his lucrative job of lawyer and sir, he participated.
You're giving him a mains answer. You are writing a mains answer in interview.
Okay.
Interview नहीं लेते आप.
Okay. Sir, one of the biggest role that he played was in unifying India after the independence. Sir, at that time of independence,
Freedom struggle. I'm talking about. I'm not talking about
he
after
played
getting freedom.
sir, he played crucial role in organizing Bardoli and Kheda Satyagraha.
Okay, good.
And at the same time, sir, the roots of the Amul that we have today, sir, lies also in the leadership of Sardar Patel. Sir, he organized the farmers of the Amul to organize themselves in a cooperatives, which then become the Amul that we have today.
I'm talking about 3 terms. One is moderates.
Yes, sir.
One is extremists.
Yes, sir.
One is no changers.
Yes, sir.
Out of these 3, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel belong to which of the category?
Sir, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel belonged to no changers.
No changers. And what's the meaning of this category?
Sir, no changers were those who believed in Gandhi's policy and they didn't wanted to change the. For example, at the time people were divided into Swarajist and no changers. So Swarajist wanted to take part in the election in 1923 assembly election. On contrary to that, the no changers didn't wanted to take part in the election and sir, they wanted to promote the Gandhian philosophy of Satyagraha, promoting the mass education, politically making people aware and promoting the empowerment of marginalized and women.
Okay. See, all together,
Yes.
we see you as a thorough intellectual because right from you was a very good. Your academic record is very good. Apart from JNV, SVNIT, and then after getting a mechanical engineering, you got a job of energy analyst.
Yes, sir.
And then you started trading in stocks and all.
Yes, sir.
So all you, as of now, you have enjoyed the diversity in your life.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to get into a government job?
Sir, actually, when I was working for Futures First at Jaipur, I didn't believe that, sir, the field was that diverse. Sir, we had a 11 hours job and, sir, the job was quite monotonous. What we had to do was simply to look at the computer screen for 11 hours a day and trade. Like, the money was put into our account and based on the information and the algorithms that we had over there, sir, we had to trade and earn money. Contrary to that, I believe, sir, civil service provide a unique combination of opportunities where I could work in sectors like education, health, promotion of tourism and industry. At the same time, sir, there is a financial stability also associated with the service and, sir, the social respect that civil servants have gained over the years.
So we can say you are not satisfied with your job at all. જે તમે કર્યું.
Sir, no, I was satisfied with my job monetarily. However, I believe that, sir, if I continued to work for Futures First, I could have earned in dollars. I could have earned many dollars, and sir, my friends are there earning dollars. However, sir, I
Why
don't
don't
think,
you earn dollars?
sir, I was earning dollar, but I believe that, sir,
લોકો અહીંયાથી ત્યાં
yes,
જાય છે ડોલર earn કરો.
sir, I believe that life is more than just earning the dollars.
Okay. What is it?
Sir, I believe that.
What is your ultimate aim?
Sir, my ultimate aim is to become to reach such position where I am satisfied with my job, not only professionally and economically, as well as socially and mentally, which I believe that, sir, civil service is something which could satisfy those requirements.
Okay, SEBI is which type of body?
Sir, it is a regulatory body. It is a statutory body. It was made statutory body in 1993.
What's the role of SEBI?
Sir, SEBI is the regulator of capital markets in India.
What do you mean by capital market?
Sir, capital markets are, for examples like the stock market that we have, bond market that we have, commodity market like futures, we have contracts, etc. that we have. Sir, they are regulated by SEBI.
What do you mean by P note?
Sir, P notes are the participatory notes. Sir, they are issued by the overseas stock exchanges to get money from those who do not want to register with our stock exchanges, and they can invest money into our stock exchanges.
Okay, I will give you a question.
Yes, sir.
2011 Commonwealth Games were held in India.
Yes, sir.
Many foreigners, they came to watch the games.
Yes, sir.
From economic point of view,
Yes, sir.
will you consider it as an import, export, FDI or FII?
Sir, I will believe that it will be the export of services, similar to the tourism that we have. So when people visit here, it actually the where people visit country, that country is exporting services.
રોલ ઓફ ડીસી ડેપ્યુટી કલેક્ટર એના કાર્યો જણાવો.
Sir, deputy collector has a variable role. Various acts of government of India as well as state government have provided them various power. Sir, they are directly subordinate. The DC post will be of a subdivisional magistrate, which is directly subordinate to the DM. And sir, the main function includes, sir, maintenance of a revenue record, land record, if there are any dispute, to solve them. At the same time, sir, they also work for maintenance of law and order.
As an SDM,
Yes, sir.
which kind of work he has to do? He has to do.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
As an SDM,
Yes, sir.
which kind of work he has to do?
Sir, as I
What's the
said,
full form of SDM?
sir, subdivisional magistrate.
Now answer.
Sir, there are various work. It's not a monotonous or a uniform work, sir. He has to perform all the work that are assigned to him.
As a SDM.
Yes, sir.
SDM તરીકે શું કામ કરે?
Sir, as I previously said, sir, below SDM we have executive magistrate or Mamlatdar. So, sir, he may solve any dispute. However, sir, against his or any of his order, the answer will lie with the SDM. So, if there are any
ઓકે,
misregularity,
આસામ બાજુ કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ ચાલી રહ્યો છે?
yes, sir. Sir, there is border dispute between Assam and Mizoram right now.
Why?
Sir, basically, sir, as sir, many said that whenever there is a border dispute in the world, Britishers would be involved, and so, sir, similar is the case here.
Okay.
Sir,
How?
British sir demarcated the boundaries between Assam and Mizoram twice. Sir, first they were demarcated in 1875. At that time, sir, the Mizo chiefs were concerned, and so at that time, sir, the Mizoram
બટ આઈ થિંક કે એ એરિયાની અંદર આવા પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ બહુ રહેતા હોય છે.
Yes, sir.
ખાલી નાગાલેન્ડનો મિઝોરમનો ઇશ્યુ નથી,
Yes,
આ બહુ આવા ઇશ્યુ રહેતા હોય
Yes,
છે.
sir.
તો આ ઇશ્યુનું મૂળ બ્રિટિશરોને થોડું, બ્રિટિશર તો
Yes,
જતા રહ્યા 75 વર્ષ થયા, હવે
sir.
કેટલા ક્યાં સુધી આપણે એમને
Yes,
બ્લેમ
sir.
કરીશું? આપણી
Yes,
બહુ કેવી વન ગુડ એના સિવાય મને નથી.
Sir, one of the reason is that, sir, all these state which were prior to that were union territory or either the district of the Assam.
Okay.
So, sir, when they were separated from the Assam, sir, for example, Mizoram were previously known as Lasuli Hills, and it was one of the district of the Assam.
Okay.
And sir, when the border were demarcated between them, so it was based on the 1933
ઇનર
agreement.
લાઇન પરમિટ આમાંથી ક્યાં જોવા મળે?
Sir, inner line permit is available in 4 states currently.
Okay.
Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Mizoram, and sir, Manipur is the recent state which has got the.
What is it?
Yes, sir.
શું છે?
Sir, inner line permit was enacted through Bengal East Frontier Regulation Act of 1873, through which, sir, at that time the British subjects were
Why?
had to.
Inner line, I think you
Yes,
got
sir.
તમને knowledge છે એટલે
Yes,
I'm
sir.
sort interrupting
Yes, sir.
for that reason.
Yes, sir.
પણ what is the reason એમ? એનું શું
Sir,
utility
there
શું
were-
છે? મારે જવું
yes,
છે
sir.
તેમ છતાં મારે મારા દેશની અંદર લેવું પડે.
Sir, at that time, sir, the reason was to conserve the
No,
culture of.
અત્યારે.
Yes, sir. At that time, okay, sir. Currently, there, sir, also the reason is same, to conserve the culture of those region. At the same time, sir, sir, those are the area where the secessionists.
You have thorough knowledge, so I'm not going to go into that.
See, you highlighted the choice as section officer,
Yes,
and
sir.
you gave the reason to serve.
Yes, sir.
That there will be a very pleasant atmosphere in Gandhinagar. But as for when we are talking about tribals,
Yes,
the
sir.
fifth to sixth
ના,
option.
ના,
Yes, sir.
તાલુકા ડેવલપમેન્ટ ઓફિસર.
No, after taluka,
Yes, sir.
tribals mate.
Yes, sir.
What is the post
Sir, Assistant Commissioner Tribal Development.
of tribal development?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What if you have to visit the areas like Dahod? You have to live there for a considerable period of time. Dahod, then you have Dharampur and all.
Yes, sir.
And then what are the challenges of tribal people?
Sir, I believe that despite seven decades of self-rule, we have not been able to achieve the assimilation into the mainstream society of the tribal people that we wanted or that we would have wanted. However, sir, the challenges that lies with the tribal people currently are, sir, the lack of educational and health infrastructure that are. And sir, then again, if we talk about particularly about the tribals of the Gujarat, sir, then employment opportunity in those regions are very low. Because of that reason, they have to travel to the areas
So
of.
what I'm getting from you is કે કન્ઝર્વેશન ડાયવર્સિટીનું કરવું જોઈએ લોકોને, રાઈટ?
Yes, sir.
આદિવાસી સંસ્કૃતિ.
Yes, sir.
તેમ છતાં વાત એવી ચાલતી હોય છે કે વન નેશન વન રેશન કાર્ડની પણ વાત થતી હોય છે,
Yes, sir.
વન નેશન વન ટેક્સની વાત થતી હોય છે.
Yes, sir.
અને આ તો બહુ જૂનો મુદ્દો છે અને આઈ થિંક યુ આર વેરી નોલેજેબલ પર્સન, તો તમને ખ્યાલ જ હશે કે સમાન દીવાની ધારો પણ હોવો જોઈએ. તો પછી એ બંને કેવી રીતે મેનેજ થશે? એક બાજુ વાત ચાલી રહી છે કે તો પછી કેમ નહીં વન કન્ટ્રી વન લો પણ કેમ નહીં?
Sir, actually, I'm not able to understand your question. If you could
Okay.
just elaborate.
હું એમ કહું છું તમને કે આ જે વિસ્તારો છે એની ડાયવર્સિટીને બચાવવા માટે ઇનર લાઇન પરમિટને એ બધું કરવામાં આવ્યું હતું, તમે જ કીધું બરાબર છે. ઇટ્સ કન્ઝર્વેશન કરવાનું છે, સંવર્ધન કરવાનું છે. અને આ બાજુ એક તરફ વાત ચાલે છે કે એક કાયદો બધાનો સેમ હોવો જોઈએ. હવે આ બાજુ જગ્યાએ આજે કન્ઝર્વેશનની વાત કરી રહ્યા છે ત્યાં તમને ટ્રાઇબલ લોઝ જોવા મળે છે. આ લોકોનો ઓટોનોમસ ક્ષેત્ર પણ છે અને કબીલાની પંચાયતો છે, ઇવન ઇન જ્યુડિશિયલ ટર્મ્સ. તો પછી તમે એક બાજુ વાત કરી રહ્યા છો કે બધા માટે સમાન દીવાની ધારો હોવો જોઈએ, તો પછી આ બંને કેવી રીતે મેનેજ થશે? કારણ કે તમે ત્યાં એપ્લાય કરવાનો પ્રોબ્લેમ થશો તો ઓલરેડી ત્યાં પ્રોબ્લેમ છે,
Okay, sir.
બરાબર? ત્યાં પ્રોબ્લેમ્સ છે, ઉપરથી એ લોકોને એવું થશે કે અમારું તો આદિવાસી સંસ્કૃતિ ઉપર અતિક્રમણ થઈ
Yes, sir.
ગયું. પછી એ સંજોગોની અંદર તમને લાગે છે કે આ હોવું જોઈએ સમાન દીવાની ધારો અને ત્યાં એપ્લાય કરી શકાય? યસ ઓર નો?
Sir, I believe if by Saman by
Civil.
same civil
Civil
Common civil
code.
code.
Common civil code.
Okay,
Common
uniform
civil.
civil
Okay, you
code.
don't know
Yes.
Gujarati?
Sir, sir, like
Uniform
I,
civil code.
sir,
This
I'm
is-
born and brought up in Gujarat. I'm
Okay.
quite comfortable with Gujarati. Just the technical terms.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
not able to-
Common civil code.
Okay, uniform civil code.
Okay, uniform civil code.
Okay, sir. Sir, when it comes to the uniform civil code, I don't think that the main issue with the tribal people. However, sir, the debate around the UCC is formed in such a way that the minorities have feel that it is targeted to them.
Even they are also minority. તમે
Yes,
એને
sir.
ભાષાકીય માઇનોરિટી, લિંગ્વિસ્ટિક માઇનોરિટી કરી નાખો. ચલો બસ.
Sir, I believe that in such a situation, sir, we should adopt the approach which Jawaharlal Nehru adopted, which
Okay.
was neither based on the isolation nor based on complete assimilation,
Okay.
rather based on the tribal genius and the tribal the knowledge that we have, they have. Sir, we should try to incorporate those values and those knowledge.
એ તમે જે કહો છો બધું થિયરિટિકલ છે.
Yes.
હું તમને પૂછવા એવું માંગુ છું કે
Practical.
પ્રેક્ટિકલી આપણે એને ત્યાં ઇમ્પ્લિમેન્ટ કરી શકીએ કે ના કરી શકીએ? બીકોઝ there are
Very specific. His question
કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ પ્રોવિઝન છે.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, અનુસૂચિ 5 છે, અનુસૂચિ 6 છે, અનુચ્છેદ 244 છે. તો આ બાજુ કોન્સ્ટિટ્યુશનલ પ્રોવિઝન્સ છે, આ બાજુ કોમન સિવિલ યુનિફાઈડ સિવિલ કોડની પણ વાત કરવામાં આવી છે. તો ઇઝ ઇટ પ્રેક્ટિકલ થઈ શકે? કારણ કે વાત ચાલે છે, ડિબેટ ચાલી રહી છે એટલા માટે.
Sir, I believe that it can be done. However, it should not be imposed right now or in a one go. Rather than, sir, we should move toward it gradually based on the laws, so that their culture is not impacted at once and over a time when they reach.
Any hobbies do you have?
Sir, sir, I used to play volleyball and table tennis. Besides that, sir, I also love playing cricket and football.
Okay, cricket.
ક્રિકેટમાં વોટ ઇઝ ચાઇનામેન બોલર?
Sir, Chinaman bowler, if I am not wrong, sir, Kuldeep Yadav, the bowler, particularly he is the main exponent. Sir, I believe the Chinaman bowler, sir, they used the googly a lot, as per my knowledge.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is a leg glance?
બેઝિક, હા.
What, sir?
Leg glance. Leg glance.
Sir, I'm sorry, I'm not able.
ઓકે, એક ગુજરાતના એક દેશી રજવાડાના રાજા હતા,
Yes, sir.
એમના દ્વારા આ કરવામાં આવ્યું છે લેગ ગ્લાન્સ. બહુ ફેમસ છે.
I'm sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it right
Told
now.
that what googly, the
Yes,
difference
sir.
between googly and dusra.
In sir, Dusra generally the spin. Ajanta Mendis sir used to practice Dusra a lot. Sir, he and Ravichandran Ashwin has practiced it a lot. Sir, in Dusra, sir, Dusra is the ball in which they, sir, don't spin that ball. It will travel in the direction. It will not turn from the speed. Contrary to that, in googly.
Dusra, the main bowler will be for dusra. The main bowler will be left leg break bowler or off break bowler.
Sir, I think it can be anyone depending on which spinner you have. If the spinner is sir off, it will change.
Only off spinner can bowl a dusra.
Correct.
Only off spinner can bowl a dusra.
Sir, then the Dusra ball will be the leg breaker.
Ha.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Either leg break or straight one.
Yes,
Straight
sir.
one.
ઓકે,
Done.
અમારો ઇન્ટરવ્યુ અહીંયા પૂરો થયો છે.